Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Andrew, and in this video we have something newer. HP Pavilion 15 with 10th generation Intel i5. So I got this laptop from a friend of a friend. He's using this laptop in store and damage becomes when they move some stuff and something fall from shelves directly on the laptop. From the right side, the laptop is pretty curved or bent. The display is broken. Few keys on the keyboard are damaged, but anyway, the laptop is still working. Usually these repairs can be costly, like changing the case or changing the keyboard and etc. But in this video, we're gonna repair all of that and reduce the cost to a very minimum. And let's start with disassembling. Here on the bottom, except for the 3 screws on the front, we have a hidden screws under the both rubber pads. Let's take the bottom case. And here we are. Okay. The part with the USB ports, it's a little bit curved. But how I can see, it's okay. The SSD is also a little bit curved, but in a back part where has no electronics, so later won't look like this. The case together with a metal plate from the keyboard is a little bit bended also. And fortunately the impact is here. If the impact was on the other side on the laptop where the motherboard is, this laptop probably won't survive. Anyway, let's continue with disassembling.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn and you're on your own. When I think about the way, when I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
and the disassembling is almost complete. The problem is a little bit more difficult to solve, is not as I think before. And here I have to remove the keyboard as well. The keyboard isn't removable, so let's start with some cutting. Carefully, I will start by cutting all the plastics that are holding the metal plate and the keyboard. This is a little bit risky step, because if I do something wrong, I can damage the keyboard, which is not really our goal right now. Okay, the keyboard is out, and now is much easier to do something with the case. The case is made from aluminum, and from one side this is good, but from the other side I need to be very careful, because this aluminum is soft and thin, and I can easily crack or damage the case more from now. So to fix the case, I will use, let's say, a very basic tools, like a few wooden sticks, one soft cleaning cloth, some paper tape, a small hammer, and pliers. I'm using a custom-made wood parts because the wood is soft and won't cause any scratches or additional damage, and the tape on the wood is protection to minimize the chance of making some new scratches or something else. Using some metal parts here is not a good idea, because the metal is hard and sharp and can cause more damage instead of repair. The plastic is okay to be used, but most of the plastic is too soft or too hard for this. And after some work, this is the palm rest. We have one small crack right below the USB port, but this is very noticeable and easy fixable. Now let's move to the lid. The lid, except that it's bent in the middle, it's curved also. It's like a curved screen. But anyway, let's fix it. So here, basically cross over the same process as I do with a palm rest. And I'm done with the lid. The damage is still noticeable, a little bit, but this part can't be fully recovered. Because if I go a little further, I may break or crack the aluminum case, so this is the maximum here. The keyboard is a little bit damaged as well, but the keyboard is still fully functional. The problem is the mechanism below a few keycaps is damaged, I mean a little bit broken, like the slash key above the enter, the 7 on the numpad, Also on the numpad, the 8 is a bit problematic, and the enter key. So, because I can't find the same mechanism, I had to use combination of 2 different keyboards, and as well this is the third. And I have to make some additional modifications. But after all, I managed to fix all the keys. Now pressing the keys will feel a little bit harder than the others, but no problem at all, anything is fully functional. And we don't need to change the entire keyboard just for this. And as final about the case, I moved to cleaning. I clean and I check the whole case again, in case if I missed something before, about repairs. Now, after I finish with cleaning and checking the case, let's move to cleaning the electronics. The electronics are pretty clean, but as always, I want to make everything shiny and perfectly clean. And as well, while cleaning, I always check the parts in case if I need to repair or replace something. Well, and all the electronics are clean. Fortunately, everything is fine and good as needs to be. Now I can move to assembling the laptop. Also, for this laptop I bought a new display, which we're going to mount later while assembling.
I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion. Illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can't grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want. It's just an illusion. Illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep
And I'm almost done. But now I will cross over a small polishing process to remove some small scratches from the case and the HP logo. And as well, I have done one more shining up. And as finished, I reinstall the Windows. I have done some small customization and I cross over all checks to be sure that everything is working fine. And this is the laptop compared to before and now.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
Well, and a few words more about this laptop. So this is a pretty new laptop and still can be used for a pretty long. The performance are good, and this machine is good for basic things more, like working something or studying, browsing the web, watching movies, listening to music and other similar things. In the gaming area, we cannot expect a lot. I've tried to play Black Mesa, and the game isn't running pretty well. The FPS is low, even using low settings, and a glitch in graphics is clearly visible. So this laptop is okay to play some other games, but with a different and lower system requirements. And this is all about this laptop, and I'm very glad because I back this machine in function again. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video will give inspiration and ideas to back some tech in function again. Also, if you want to support my work and my channel, you can press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way